So over here, you can see that I have a frame, and if you want to add in animation to this frame, then what you can do is you can set the previous state and the next state and then link them out together using the prototype option. So now to do that, I'm going to first go around over here and then select out this frame. So I'm just going to select this and I'm going to press Ctrl C and V to create a duplication of the frame right here. So let's consider this as the final state and this as the initial state. So let's say in the initial state, there won't be welcome right here. So now this will be at the top right here. So this shape will be at the top, even this shape right here, and this will be this shape will be at the bottom, and this as well. So I want these shapes to be sliding in. So I'm keeping this shape over here, and then welcome will appear out of nowhere. So now what you can do is you can go around right here and select out the frame. So let me just go around onto the selection tool, select out the frame, and then go to prototype. So over here, you can see that this is what you have, and you can set the flow right here. So once you select out the frame, you can click and drag it and leave it over here. So once you do that over here, you can see that right now it says on tap right here. So I'm going to set this to after delay so that the animation happens automatically. So let's say about 3 milliseconds later, this will start out. So over here, what I want it to happen is I want it to be a smart animation right here. And you can add an A's in and A's out if you want the animation to be smooth as well. So let's keep this out at 600 milliseconds, which is the duration of the animation. So this is how it'll actually appear. So now if you want to preview this, you can go around right here and press the play button, but make sure that the flow is there in the previous state right here, not on the latest state of the design. So if I were to press the play button, this is what you have now, as you can see. So there you go. You can go around right here. Let me just close this. So let me just close this around, press the play button, and you will be able to see the animation as it loads out. So this is loading out, and over here you can see that this is the animation right there. Similarly, you can add in previous states over here as well. So let me just go around over here and then copy and paste this around right here from the beginning. So this is what I have, and then this is what I have over here as well. So let me just delete both of these right here, just like this. And then let's say I want this to begin from here. So this is going to be an initial state, then this state, then this state. So now I'm going to go to prototype again, and then you can see that now the flow is actually changed. So I'm just going to keep the flow over here as 1, and there's a delay right here. So I'm just going to go around. This is going to be the first flow. Then I'm going to go around onto the frame right here and select this out. Keep it over here, just like this. So this is going to be on delay. So this is going to be, let's say, not on tap, but when hovering after delay right here. So this is not being enabled out. So I'm just going to keep it as it is and then delete this off right here so that I can link it out again. So once I do that, I have after delay. So this is going to be 800 milliseconds. That's fine. And the settings that we set right there is remaining as it is. So now this is going to be the third state. So this is going to be the beginning. This is going to be the middle ground, and this is going to be the end. So if I were to press the play button now, what happens is that it loads up right here, as you can see right here. And then what happens is that you got the beginning and then the end, as you can see right here. So that is how you can work around with smart animation to animate out objects inside of a Figma design file. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.